What's up, Turtle Squad? It's me, Turtle Gamer, and why am I doing the intro? It's a part 2 video. This is part 2 of episode 9. In episode 9, we got to floor 13 of the Sinister Forest and tried to beat up Gengar 2 times, but failed. So now I'm gonna beat him up, or her, for real. No, your party's over. Wait, the lick moves fell apart? Alright, that's bad. Now we know to use the max elixir first. Alright, use the max elixir first. There's max elixir. I can't afford to need to be revived again because I have no more reviver seeds. So I'm gonna eat an orange berry if I didn't get healed because of the level up. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this one. Oh! Nice! Alright! You finally beat them. No, you will pay for this. Jerks. Go. Is Caterpie gonna join? I'm probably gonna do Thunderwave Cave thingy or two because I still have 10 minutes on the video. Or I'm gonna do the story and progress the story a little bit, you know. Alright, this is a story quest. Oh, Jumpluff. Chicander. This is Zapdos, right? Zapdos kidnap Shifty. Look at those eyes. Cute Charmander. I'm just gonna screenshot this for the pixel art of Charmander. Silent Chasm. I don't know how many floors this thing has, but I don't care. First of all, I'm gonna go to Kangaskhan storage. Then maybe buy a thing or two from Kecleon. Alarm stopped. How do you sort this? I'm just gonna take something first. My gravel rock. My Viper seed. My Maximus here. Yeah. What was the button we pressed last time when we sorted the box? I forgot. Take this and hold. No. I'm gonna buy a thing or two from Kecleon. Apples. Another big apple. And then another Viper seed. Thank you. Right, Silent Chasm. That part is so bright because of the mist effects on the screen. Alright. Hang on, I'm gonna do a suspend point and see what the two is. First, I'm gonna say, I'm perfectly fine. Come on, Charmy. Hang on, I want to see what this is going to say. B10? Oh my god! Alright, now I'm going to load it again. Yeah, there. Chikorita's lying down. same dialogue, starting from the first same dialogue. But I'm going with this one because I don't want to screw Charmander over. Yes! Yes, amazing! I got a feeling Yanma's gonna join me. The Y is silent. Ian. It looks like Vian. Alright, cool. Got a new one. That's a gold gummy. No! Yeah, that's on me for not aiming. There. The enemies in this dungeon are gonna be hard. And that is useless. Aside from the Poke though. The Poke is gonna be useful for sure. I'm falling back. Yeah, motion power again. There. Thank you. Alright, do we have any orange berries here? Of course I don't. Oh, double! Nice. Sorry? Alarm. Weeder. Cool. Yeah, that's cool. Weeder's cool. Another alarm.